subscribe to channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
And never miss another update.
Hello dear visitor, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit HTTPS in our domain. And this website you can see this is the not secure showing currently. So how to fix this by editing HTTPS. So let's start. First go to your domain hosting site. I have already logged in my Namecheap account because I am by this domain hosting on this Namecheap. So you can see the Abedin buzzer and just click on the here, and you can see one SSL certificate has been expired and the others have been activated. So let's start. Click on the active and you can see there are the 5 steps, and I'm now the first step. Okay, let's create the CSR and how to create one. We can create the CSR code by our cPanel. So let's go to the cPanel. Okay, you can there are some example how to create the CSR code. That the SSL/TLT manager. Then go to the generate new certificate sign request and enter the following information: domain, cities, etc. etc. So let's go to the cPanel and find out the SSL/TLS. Click on the SSL/TLS. Let's go to the create the CSR code. Enter the domain name, abedinbuzzer.com. Choose the country, the company, company division, enter an email address. And just click on the generate, and you can see the code are successfully generated. Okay, after create the CSR code, just press on the here. After pressing, just click on the next. Your CSR code will be successfully added on your domain because I have already used this code before, and it will be expire after 1 year, and I have already used this before 1 year, so I need to buy this code again. You can see, let's see, I'm showing you. You can see the positive SS will be expired, so I have already used it 1 year. So if I want to again edit this positive SSL, so I need to buy it and then I can use it. So I hope you understand how to edit the positive SSL if you are new on the Namecheap.
Subscribe to channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
And never miss another update.